Hey folks, welcome to my quick unboxing video for the GoPro 12 Black. So this is actually my very first GoPro. I'm really excited to get stuck in. I think it's going to help me a lot on my video creation journey. And in case you are wondering if I am sponsored for this video, I am not. I did purchase this myself. So let's get stuck in and see what we've got. So first off, looks like we have a whole load of documentation. This includes the quick setup guide, and then we get to the meat of it all. Charging data cable, a couple of the usual GoPro mounts, the rechargeable battery, some more mounts, and the mounting screw. And then of course the main event, the actual GoPro itself. And this feels really nice. You can tell that this is a premium camera. It's got a little bit of weight to it. And it has this interesting speckled design. I've not seen that in the pictures of the previous GoPros, so that must be new. Yeah, let's get all this removed. And there's the lens. And one of the interesting things, from what I understand about the GoPro 12 Black, is the fact that the mounting system has been somewhat altered. So now you have the standard tripod mounting option as well as the usual GoPro mounting. So to get to the GoPro mounting, we just flip those clips out. So all of your current accessories will still work with this. But then, yep, we can now attach this to a standard camera tripod, which is a really nice change. So now I want to install the battery, and the way we do this is on the side here, there is this little notch. We need to pull that down. It can be a little bit stiff, so just bear that in mind, and then we can open the actual compartment here. And yeah, we've got a USB-C charging slot, port for the memory card. In fact, I'm going to install that right away. And the great thing is that the memory card will be protected by the GoPro. Okay, so there's the memory card installed. And then for the battery, just make sure the connectors on the battery match up with the pins inside the housing there. So we'll just push that down. When it comes to removing the battery, you have this tab here, so you don't have to try and wiggle your fingers in to remove it there. And then we'll just lock this back into place. Right, so I am ready to go ahead and set up my new GoPro. One of the first things you can do is turn on voice control, but I will set that up later. And then we are going to be prompted to download the Quick app, which I have already done. It is on my phone, good to go. But since I'm using that phone to record this video, not for much longer, I've got my new GoPro, I'm not going to be doing that with you. And there we have it then, folks. That was my unboxing for this lovely little camera. I'm excited to get stuck in, see what it's all about, and I will make more videos as I do so. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.